Let's see Python operators. What are operators in Python? Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. For example, if I'm going to add 2 plus 3, definitely we got the answer as 5. Here, this plus symbol or the plus symbol is the operator that performs addition. 2 and 3 are the operands and 5 is the output of the operation. Already we discussed about the arithmetic operations, that is plus corresponding for addition and minus is corresponding for subtraction, star is used for multiplication, and 2 star is mainly used for exponentiation and division, and also there is an integer division, and there is a modulo expression corresponding for two operands. The comparison operators are used to compare the values. It returns either true or false according to the conditions. You can see here the operator greater than, it's true if left operand is greater than the right, and the case of the less than, true if the left operand is less than the right one. Equal to, you can see the double equal sign is used for this purpose, and the true if both operands are equal, and not equal to, true if both operands are not equal. And like this ways we can express what greater than or equal to symbol as well as less than or equal to symbol. Let's take the example corresponding for the comparison operator. So I am going to declare a variable called x equal to 10 and y is the variable has a value called 12. Then if we want to check this one whether x is greater than or equal to y, and shows that it's false, definitely we can see that the 10 is not greater than 12. And similarly we can check the next condition, and this is true, that means x is less than y. And also we can check the comparison, print x whether it is equal to y, and again it is a false conditions, and next condition it is not equal to and it is true, and next one which is very greater than or equal to, again it's false. You can see is it less than or equal to, definitely it's true. Come to the next operator, that is logical operators. Logical operators are and or not, and here you can see that we are using and is mainly used for and logical operation, not the symbol, and it's true if both operands are true, and this is an example. And similarly we can see that corresponding for or and not. Let's see the example. Again I'm going to declare the x as true and y as false. Okay, so let me check each logical operations. First one is print x and y, definitely we know the answer as false. Next one XOR y, definitely it's true, and next one is not operation, definitely the previous one x is true. Now after the not operations we can see that its value is false. Bitwise operators act on operands as if they were strings of binary digits. They operate bit by bit, hence the name is bitwise operator. For example, 2 is represented as 10 in binary and 7 is represented as 1111. In this table below we can say that see that these are the bitwise operators, and AND is mainly used for bitwise and pipe symbol is used for bitwise OR, and tilde is used for bitwise NOT. And you can see that bitwise right shift as well as left shift described in the table.